What's going on, YouTube? How's all the beautiful people? Well, we have a detached trailer here, the Eager Beaver. It has a 15-horse Kohler. And let me show you what it's doing. And the key. Starter's done. Yesterday I messed with it a little bit and the starter was dragging really bad, and then it just quit and it was just clicking. So yeah, let me get this thing tore apart and we'll see if we can get another starter on it. Welcome back, people. Well, it wasn't without headache and heartache, cussing and screaming and hollering. But I got the new starter in. Well, 20 years old now, but here we go. There you go. It works. And I'm tickled pink. Okay. Well, there you go, people. Like and sub. The starter that was on there was only about a year old. Started it a handful of times, and this one that's on there now is 20 years old and works like a new one. So just goes to show you, just because the reviews might be decent on Amazon doesn't mean you won't get that 1% or 2% that sucks. Anyways, like and sub, you beautiful people. Later.